We do about 200 million views a month.
We're just us, and we're doing it loudly.
One of the greatest gifts I've been given by being a content creator is I've been able to leave my corporate job, move home to my whenua, be around my whānau, raise my kids in the way that I was raised in Te Tai Tokero.
Good girl. You should kina eat. You should kina eat.
The reason I wound up making TikTok videos is I have this big life mission that the biggest story about fathers that look like me is not Jake the Muss or a warrior or an all black or the aggressor, protector, provider, is that we're loving, playful, affectionate with our kids, great dads, great husbands.
Ash is pregnant, I'm not, let's go get her whatever she's craving.
And we do about 200 million views a month, and I just want to continue on this path, telling this big, beautiful story about loving my family, and so that it washes away any stereotypes that you might hold about men like me.
They're just us, and we're doing it a little more loudly because we need to make sure that our tamariki hear us, because if they don't hear us, they're hearing negative impacts.
And where I come from, where you come from, you listen to your elders, okay?
So if we want to go there, let's go there.
From the government, from people who continue to suppress us. So yeah, unfortunately, but fortunately, we had to be louder than the rest so that they could hear us and remind themselves that they need to be proud to be Māori, be comfortable in your own skin.
Hey everyone, Chris Luxon, TikTok King here. TikTok King here. TikTok King here.
I runga I te whakaiti, I runga I te humārie, kei te tino kope tātou te iwi Māori, Aotearoa, e ngā take kōrangapū. Ina kei te aukata mātou I te kaikiritanga, me kei te tiro mai ngā iwi take putano I te ao, ki a mātou, hei urungi I tēnei waka o tātou. Kia hau I mōhio ki tēnā, nā runga no I te mara haere au ki itihi o ngā kaupapa pēnei te whispek, wharongo, whakite.
We're Māori. Of course I come to Waitangi on Waitangi Day every year.
No you don't. Didn't you say this was your first time?
Yeah, but I want to start coming to Waitangi every year because it's freaking mean.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, it's really inspiring for a lot of people, you know.
Ko whakakūngia e tērā reanga, e tēnei reanga rangatahi nei, tēnei mea te tuakiri Māori.
E whakapono nei ka pēra I runga anō I te marama o te rangatahi ki tēnei mea to social media.
I think it's good because a lot of young people are on there, so they might have a look on their page and then hook up on some of their waiata and nōrero. Dodwana's Latia. She's a good influence on the reo and all of her waiata she sings.
The world loves Māori because we're amazing storytellers.
I'm having a back and forth with a lady on Facebook who doesn't want to admit that Māori are native to Aotearoa.
When I first started making videos, I did think I was going to be very good at it, which might sound arrogant, but I was raised by parents that loved me, believed in me, and when you grow up from your earliest memories through your entire life believing that, I think the confidence to go after my dreams comes from having amazing parents that love me.
Ko te reo, te take.